देखो ना ज़ुल्फ़ों से, ऐसे ज़ुल्फ़ों से तेरी चुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कानी है. I'm not singing after this. I mean, I will be singing in the upcoming part of the video. But if you like this part in my voice, then even you will like the upcoming part. So it was just just 2 lines. So if you like, you can continue. So, hello everyone, and hello, my dear besties and pookies. Yes, so today I'm going to sing a song again. So, recently I have asked that which song I have to sing. So, I gave you, I think, 4 to 5 options, and one of my bestie have said that I have to sing Jo Tu Mere Ho song. Personally, it's my favorite song, and it holds a lot of memories about my past. Okay, you might have get to know like it holds a lot of memory from my past, and it's a very emotional song for me. Whenever I see that song or whenever I hear that song, I start to cry. So the words are extreme deep. Like, I don't know why, but I like that song a lot. So yeah, of course, singing and crying for our favorite person whom we loved is not a wrong thing, right? So yeah, I'm a type of girl. So if I want a person or if I love a person, either in a relationship or friendship, I'm a person that I'll give all my efforts to them. Even if if they made a mistake, I will be ready to say sorry, because I don't want the thing ego to end up the relationship or friendship, right? So okay, enough of my personal information. Fine, let's start that song. So I'm going to sing a middle part of the song. So if you like, I'll sing. I'll go with the long version. I mean the full version. Okay. So let me start. So let me start from that. Jane na tu. Okay. जाने न तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों नजरों से मेरे यहाँ देखो ना खुद को जरा. Oh my god, I'm crying. Wait. Okay, fine. देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी चुपती प्यारे प्यारी सी मुस्कानी है. और नजरें झुकी और नजरें अठी तो मैं क्या ही कहूँ, बर्बाद मैं तेरे होठों को जिनसे रखती मेरे प्यारे प्यारे नाम है. और दिल का तेरे अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ, क्या बात है. और हाँ, देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की ये बात है. और क्या ये खुला आसमां या फिर लाई यहाँ ज़ोलों से बरसाती है. चाहे भी बादल तो चाहे फिर भी तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमको मांगो ना कुछ और जो तुम मेरे हो. Hope you liked it. So like in middle, like I said, you're right. So it's like the song itself is like that. We'll remember the memories, and अबे words ना बहुत deep है. I cannot explain it in English or something. The words are extreme deep, and it takes me to the memories, and I feel that um, why am I in this situation, or it makes me feel sad again. But I love that song. Only I feel that I don't have guitar, but soon I'll purchase a guitar and I'll sing this song in front of you all. Okay, so give me like the suggestions or something how I sang the song for you all. So if you want some songs, please comment me below. Thank you so much for your response for the previous song Jhol. Thank you so much, Pookie. Literally, I did not, knew myself that I had this much talent. Thank you so much. I'm expecting the same, response even in this song. If it is bad, that's fine. Please comment that you have to improve or something. But I'm actually waiting for your comments. Please comment. Even if you say hi, I'll be like, okay, one of my bestie have said hi. I have to, reply. It makes me feel that okay, I'm a content creator. It gives me vibes, okay? So I'm waiting for your comments. Comment down below. Thank you.